Greetings, savvy flocks! Welcome back to the Opulent Owl, your guide to crafting a robust retirement plan and discovering exquisite destinations beyond your imagination. Join us as we take flight with our exceptional night vision, landing in magnificent spots where you can spread your wings and unwind in style. Prepare to soar to new heights and touch down with unparalleled elegance. Your opulent journey begins here. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let's ascend together toward that grandiose retirement dream. Buckle up as we dive into our latest video. Didn't get enough of the enchanting wonders of Poland? No worries, because we got you covered with part 2 of our Polish adventure, which promises even more breathtaking destinations to explore. From the majestic Tatra Mountains to the historic streets of Gdansk, there's something for every traveler seeking adventure, culture, and natural beauty. So if you're craving more of Poland's rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning landscapes, join us on this unforgettable journey through the heart of Europe. Pack your bags, gather your sense of adventure, and let's dive into part 2 of our Polish escapade together. Welcome to the captivating city of Gdansk, where history comes to life amidst meticulously restored splendor. As the largest city in northern Poland, Gdansk boasts a rich tapestry of history shaped by centuries of Polish, Prussian, and German influence. Step into the city's old town, a testament to resilience and restoration after the devastation of World War II. Stroll along the famed Royal Road, tracing the footsteps of Polish kings through centuries of history and culture. Marvel at the grandeur of St. Mary's Church, a towering masterpiece of brick architecture and the largest of its kind in the world. But Gdansk is more than just a testament to its past. It's a vibrant city pulsating with modern energy and charm. Explore its charming streets lined with colorful townhouses, bustling markets, and chic cafes, where every corner tells a story of resilience and renewal. Soak in the atmosphere of this ancient city, where every cobblestone whispers tales of the past and every restored building stands as a symbol of hope for the future. Gdansk invites you to delve into its rich history, discover its hidden gems, and immerse yourself in a journey through a time unlike any other. We next take a step into history's pages with a somber yet impactful visit to the Auschwitz concentration camp memorial, just an hour away from Krakow. This touching site memorializes the tragic legacy of the Nazi concentration camp, inviting millions of visitors to honor the memory of its victims. As you walk through the sprawling grounds, you'll feel the weight of history bearing down on you, serving as a stark reminder of the atrocities committed during World War II. Despite its somber nature, this historic site offers a profound experience, allowing visitors to pay tribute to those who suffered during one of humanity's darkest chapters. Wander through the expansive grounds and pause to reflect on the lives lost, allowing the haunting atmosphere to evoke deep contemplation and remembrance. Welcome to the enchanting Bialowieza Forest, a living testament to Europe's ancient woodlands. This majestic forest, spanning the border between Poland and Belarus, beckons adventurers with its untamed beauty and rich biodiversity. As you explore this pristine wilderness, keep your eyes peeled for the elusive European bison, roaming freely as they did centuries ago. But that's not all. The forest is teeming with a diverse array of wildlife, from majestic wolves and lynx to graceful elk and elusive wild boar. For the intrepid traveler, border crossings on foot or bicycle offer a unique opportunity to journey between two countries while immersing yourself in the breathtaking scenery of the Bialowieza Forest. So lace up your hiking boots or hop on your bike and get ready to experience the wonders of this ancient woodland like never before. Welcome to Warsaw, Poland's resilient capital, where history's scars are woven into the city's vibrant tapestry. Despite enduring the ravages of war and conflict, Warsaw stands tall as a testament to resilience and renewal. One of the symbols of this resilience is the Royal Castle, the former residence of many of the kings of Poland, and a rallying point for the population of Warsaw during the Second World War. The building was bombed, dynamited, and finally razed to the ground by the Nazis, and then subsequently rebuilt after the war to its original splendor. Step into Warsaw's storied streets, where medieval remnants mingle with modern marvels, creating a captivating architectural mosaic that beckons exploration. From the meticulously restored Old Town with its cobbled lanes and charming squares to the gleaming skyscrapers that dot the skyline, Warsaw offers a fascinating blend of old and new. While Warsaw's allure extends beyond its architectural diversity, immerse yourself in the city's thriving culinary and cultural scenes where traditional Polish flavors meet contemporary trends. Whether you're savoring pierogi in a cozy cafe or exploring cutting-edge art galleries, Warsaw promises an unforgettable journey through the heart of Poland's capital and its resilient spirit. Dive into the aquatic wonderland of the Mazurian Lake District, where endless adventures await on the shimmering waters of over 2,000 lakes. Set sail on an unforgettable journey as you navigate through picturesque towns and lush forests, discovering hidden gems at every turn. Whether you're a seasoned sailor or a water sports enthusiast, the Mazurian Lake District offers the perfect playground for all your aquatic escapades. Feel the wind in your hair as you glide across pristine waters, or dive beneath the surface to explore vibrant underwater worlds teeming with life. From leisurely boat rides to heart-pounding water sports, there's no shortage of excitement in this Central European paradise. So pack your swimsuit, grab your sense of adventure, and get ready to make a splash in the breathtaking Mazurian Lake District. Our sixth stop is Wrocław. Get ready to be swept away by the picturesque beauty of its market square and the majestic allure of its cathedral. With its elegant architecture and old-world charm, Wrocław is a true gem nestled in western Poland, just waiting to be discovered. Wrocław has been Poland's industrial hub for centuries and is also one of the main European transport hubs, with Wrocław Główny being the largest train station in Poland. For the animal lovers, Wrocław has the oldest zoological garden in Poland, as well as it being the third largest in the world. From the unforgettable Japanese gardens in Czestochowa Park to the Pantadusz Museum devoted to Poland's epos, prepare to soak in the sights, sounds, and flavors of this historic city as we continue our unforgettable adventure through Poland's rich heritage and vibrant culture. Get ready to step back in time as we journey to the impressive Malbork Castle, a true marvel of medieval grandeur. Situated in western Poland, this magnificent fortress holds the title of being the largest castle in the world by land area, offering a glimpse into the legacy of the Teutonic Knights. Built in the 13th century by the valiant knights of the Teutonic Order, this castle is not just any fortress, it's Europe's largest Gothic stronghold. Named after the esteemed Virgin Mary, it boasts 3 grand structures, making it the undisputed king of brick castles worldwide. But hold onto your helmets, because the adventure doesn't stop there. Despite enduring significant damage during the tumultuous events of World War II, Malbork Castle has risen from the ashes like a phoenix, with much of its grandeur restored for modern-day adventurers like us to marvel at. So, get ready to step into history and witness the magic of Malbork Castle, where every brick tells a tale of valor, resilience, and medieval majesty. Let's embark on a royal adventure to Pszczyna, nestled in the scenic southern part of the Silesian province. This charming town, steeped in history, boasts a magnificent castle that once played host to the wealthiest Silesian magnate families, as well as other European heads of state. Situated at the foot of the Beskids, this castle is a true masterpiece fit for royalty. Also in the former estate of the castle are the royal stables and the hunting lodge of Przemysl. These remarkably preserved buildings highlight the opulence of the Polish nobility. But our journey doesn't stop there. Join us as we explore the enchanting surroundings of Pszczyna and discover the hidden gems waiting to be uncovered. From historic landmarks to breathtaking natural wonders, Pszczyna has it all. So let's dive into the wonders of Pszczyna together. We have saved our most iconic destination for last. Join us on our pilgrimage to Our Lady of Czestochowa, the radiant queen of Poland. Prepare to be awed by the splendor of this historic gem nestled in the heart of southern Poland. Enter the realm of Our Lady of Czestochowa, where history and spirituality intertwine to create an unforgettable experience for all who venture within its hallowed halls. As you approach the home of Matka Boska Czestochowska, you are greeted by the sight of the majestic Jasna Góra Monastery, standing proudly atop the picturesque hills. The air is thick with anticipation, as if the very walls themselves are whispering tales of centuries gone by. Prepare to be humbled as you lay your eyes upon the sacred icon of Our Lady of Czestochowa, also known as the Black Madonna. Legend has it that miracles happen in her presence, and you'll soon find yourself caught up in the spiritual presence that surrounds this revered figure. As you explore the vestibules of this divine sanctuary, you'll discover a treasure trove of religious artifacts, stunning artwork, and centuries-old relics that will transport you to an era of faith and devotion, and maybe rekindle your own faith. Our Lady of Czestochowa isn't just a place of pilgrimage, it's a vibrant hub of cultural and religious celebrations that will leave you breathless with wonder and awe. From solemn processions to joyous festivals, there's always something uplifting happening within these sacred walls. So what are you waiting for? Come join the countless pilgrims and travelers from around the world who have been captivated by the eternal allure of Our Lady of Czestochowa. Don't miss out on the journey of a lifetime, and be prepared to be captivated by the Queen of Poland herself. There you have it, Savvy Flocks. These were some more of the awe-inspiring places to visit in Poland. So whether you're looking for a place to call home for your retirement, a wonderful old town to explore and recover from the stresses of modern life, or a place to rekindle your creativity and restore your spirit, these destinations in Poland are definitely worth considering. If you liked our content regarding retirement and places to settle in, don't forget to click that like button, subscribe, and tick that notification bell to stay updated on the latest trends in formulating that opulent retirement. Soar high and land with style. Fold your wings and ease your mind. See you on our next adventure.